Alright guys, today we're going to be demoing the Easy Home Aldi's carpet cleaner on this rug. I know looks are deceiving, but it has a lot of stains and we're going to zoom in on those and show you what they look like, and stay tuned for the demo. Alright, so we're going to get this box open, and I am so excited to use this bad boy. And this was, like I said, a requested video. Guys, it was difficult to get this out of the box. It was tightly packed inside that box. As you've seen, that was an instruction booklet that I took out first, and then the handle, and now the base. Now we're going to get all this plastic and styrofoam off of it and out of our way, so that way we can get this bad boy up and running. And it is very simple to put together. There are 2 screws in the inside, and I'm going to get my screwdriver because I'm going to need that to get the screws out and to lock the handle down to the base. So that's what I am doing right now. Once you have the handle locked to the base, the next step is to take the water reservoir off, and it just snaps off like that. Very simple, snaps on and off. I'm going to fill it to the max line, guys. I'm not putting anything in here but water. Maybe next time, but for the first demo, I want to go exactly by the book with just water. And then we're going to place that back on, snap it in, and then it's time to plug it up, and let's see how this thing works. So the way it works is like other carpet cleaners, is you pull forward, you release the lever to let it lower down, and this lever here that I'm showing you is the one you pull up on, which releases water to start cleaning. So as you pull back, you pull that lever and the water generates through on the carpet and back through the empty tank that will hold all the dirty water. And you just keep doing that, and if you have a spot like I'm going to show you in a little bit, you just keep going back and forth over it. And as you can see, it's wet on one side and it's dry on the other. So this little lever that you're going to put your foot on is how you release it down and you pull back with the water. Now this is an area rug, so it's a little bit difficult because it's kind of moving as I clean, but I'm pretty sure it would do much better on a stabilized carpet, wall-to-wall carpet or something like that. So I'm going to show you in just a second how it does with a stain. So here's that stain I was talking about, guys. We are going to go over this and see if it can make it go away, or is it going to just lighten it? Let's see. The proof is going to be in the pudding. I am so stoked about this because you cannot beat a $60 carpet cleaner. Come on now, guys. The worst that can happen is it don't work right and you take it back and you just get another one, and more than likely it should work right. But it is doing an awesome job. And do you see this stain? Do you see it is gone, guys? The stain is gone. Now, for video's sake and not having a long video, your girl passed through this rug several times and got different stains up. But now I have noticed that the actual empty container is full. When it shows full, that means it's time to empty it. But guys, I want to know, how well did those passes work, and did they clean the rug? So we're getting ready to empty this bad boy into the sink and see how much dirt we got out of this area rug. They made this thing so easy to use and so simple. I just pulled that right out by pressing that lever back. So we're going to take this to the sink and we're going to empty it. Do you guys see that water? It is black. It is black. I mean, I don't even know what to say. This water looks disgusting, and it is only off of an area rug that I passed through with the cleaner a couple times, but not as many times as I would to thoroughly clean it. And do you see the filth? Disgusting. That's all I'm gonna say. Do you guys see how this Aldi's cleaner is cleaning this rug? I don't think this is necessary, but I'm just gonna rinse it out. I just feel like I need to kind of rinse out the actual dirty water reservoirs, so that's what I'm doing. But that's it, guys. It literally took out lots of dirt from my area rug, and you guys seen it here on this video, okay? I am so stoked. Now, down here, do you see that? Let me zoom in on this. It has a filter, and this filter is catching some other grime and dirt. I didn't know how to get it out, but my hubby got it out. I thought the whole thing came out. I was trying to pull the whole thing, but it's a little sponge. He said, make sure you clean this, rinse it off really good, and then put it back every time you use it. So this is all of the water that I use after filling this to the max line. That was the water that was left, and I am loving it. I truly, truly, truly think it is worth the money. Now, I noticed there's another little filter. I couldn't get this little piece out. I kept trying. I don't know if I'm pulling it out the wrong way, but I'll fiddle with that on another time. But it looks like it has another little sponge in there, which is another form of a filter that you can rinse off and put it back together. So guys, this is what the rug looks like the next day after it was dry. I think it looks amazing. It's not even thoroughly clean, and it looks awesome. So what do you think? Do you think it's worth going out and grabbing you one to give it a try? I know most of us probably waste that amount of money within a month or two, but why not invest it in something that you can definitely use around your house? Make sure if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Thumbs up this video, share this video, and guess what, guys? I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.